Correct. We were doing, I had to do a little on the gums, canals, crowns, smile designing, Genioplasty with jaw sculpting.
Okay. So a little bit I need how my post-op is going to be. I just have some doubts. Like this genio correction. So can you just briefly tell me how it's going to be? Like what is the exact correction?
We're going to reduce the height of this here by 3 millimeters.
Okay.
Okay? And reduce the width by 5 or 6 millimeters.
Okay.
And bring it forward by 4 or 5 millimeters. 3 dimensions will be done. This will go down, this will go down, and it will come up. So the vertical height will look less. And then second vertical height, 3 mm, we're knocking off here.
Okay. Got it. And this one, sir? Jaw sculpting is
Yes,
there?
jaw sculpting is just so that this line, you have a nice jawline actually now.
Okay.
To maintain it, because we're going to do this surgery which is more important to get the height corrected. Then they can go in and do the dental. Second reason is the gums has to heal. We try to save your time the maximum possible. That's why I told her like that.
So any possibility I can go back after 3-4 days?
Yeah, 4 days. 4 days is a plus.
4 days is
If you want to go earlier than that, that's difficult.
difficult, sir. Not possible.
No, possible, but I wouldn't recommend. Because they also need time. They can't make you sit with your mouth open for 2 hours and all in a slot. So they'll divide it maybe and it'll take a while. When we can't hurry up these things too much. I spoke with her already. She told me like this.
If it is done within these 5 days.
I'm hoping that will happen. That's the goal.
Because as you know, I'm planning for my wedding next month.
Yeah.
Difficult for me to.
Correct. No, we'll maximum do it. Chalo, bye.
So this lady came to us with a complaint of the broad chin, and she was by the gummy smile. Can you smile, please? Yes. So it's the amount of gummy smile she is having. She already underwent orthodontic treatment. So we'll be planning for 2 procedures. We'll be doing genioplasty and give a narrower and pointy chin, and we'll be doing gingival contouring by this is something called the gummy smile correction by excess gingival excision, which is also called as smile designing. So 2 procedures, the genioplasty and the smile designing by gingivectomy.
You open your mouth and take deep breath.
I'll just press and check once, huh? Relax. Okay. No shoes. Shift her to one.
Okay.
They have done some work down and put some stuff, right? Yes. Okay, cool. Carry on.
वो discharge हो गया है, कल ही हुआ. It's good. He saw. Okay, it's good.
That ice starts to be applied.
No, not much swelling is there for you. It's fine. Okay. No, not. Just liquid, right? Maybe from tomorrow evening, soft. But today.
Tomorrow, can I get this IV out?
No.
5 days is stuck on that.
No. We have to give injections. We have placed something implant inside. If we have to make sure that it doesn't get infected initially. Okay?
Just another 2-3 days.
Yes, for sure. Okay? Please sit.
You see, that's expected, right?
That is expected. It's just your 3rd day, na? Don't worry. It looks good only. Glove, sister. Can you smile? Okay. They've started. Almost done, na?
Yes.
Today they'll deliver your.
No?
2 days. Okay. Relax, huh? Yeah, it's perfect. It's very good. Don't worry. Just use that gel. Accident this. You're applying, na, inside? Please apply.
Thank you.
No, you have to apply 3 times in a day. Okay? Oh my God, sister. Not so much. And we'll prescribe you one baby toothbrush. Okay, and one paste. You have to start using that, huh? Yeah, little bit it will burn. You have to apply. Okay, minimum 3 times in a day. Okay, and after applying, leave it for half an hour, and then you can do whatever you want.
Thank you.
No mouthwash needed. Thank you. Good morning. You okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So you want your IV light to be removed, or you're okay with
I'm
it?
okay for today. So tomorrow after one shot I'll get it.
Sure. Tomorrow remove IV line. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not able to brush my teeth.
Why?
I don't know. I feel so heavy in the lower jaw opening, especially here.
Yeah, because obviously we have done.
So, but I can do it slowly, right?
Yes, you
With
can.
yoga,
Yes. No, with baby brush we have already.
brush.
With baby brush you do. It will happen. Little bit discomfort will be there,
After
but slowly you do it.
after every liquid diet, I'll take gargle water.
Not after every, like even like 3 times in a day is enough. If you are taking any kind of thick liquid like milk shake or anything, just drink water. But you can start soft diet also from today.
Because my BP is on the lower side.
You can start soft diet.
Soft diet.
Chapati or non-veg, hard non-veg, nothing. You can eat fish and all soft because it's soft.
Soft diet is a must.
Yeah, it's enough. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You go down, like sister will tell you, will remove your this dressing, and then today is your discharge. Okay.
Yes. No, can I use some compression bandage or anything? Because this is.
See, not advisable. See, what happens is that it becomes counterproductive. We want only compression for 5 days. You just sleep with head and elevated. This is normal. Trust me, this is normal. Okay. It will settle down. I know you're anxious about it right now. It will settle down. Okay.
No need
See,
of any bandage. Even
no,
if I
just-
travel, I don't have to wear any bandage.
see, after traveling, transiently it would be a little bit high. See, that is how it works. Towards the end of the day, it will settle down. When you wake up in the morning, it would be a little bit more. The swelling will be more. So it gradually settles down. For some people, it takes 15 days to convert, say 70-80% for the swelling to come down. For you to see the complete result, all the V-shaped jawline that you wanted, we have achieved, it might take even 2-3 months. See, healing it's molecular level, right? So it takes time. Don't worry about it. There's not much in eyes. Not required. Eyes is initial for the first 24-48 hours. Don't worry.
CT report is not explained.
Not explained, huh? I'll send someone for you for explaining CBCT. Okay. You have any other questions?
No, ma'am. I just want to know
This will come down. Don't worry. Yeah. People will show it.
the reduction.
Yeah, I understand. You will be asked to come to the OP for that. Okay.